Hey gang, and welcome to Weaver Music. Today we have a customer that brought this in. They bought it from Sweetwater and let it sit for probably about 4 months before they even did anything with it. And when they went to go play it, they couldn't. The strings were buzzing and hitting and nothing lined up, and it was just completely crazy. They couldn't figure it out. They got a hold of Sweetwater, but it had been over 90 days, and Sweetwater said they wouldn't take care of it. That's the story that I understand. I've always had good rapport with Sweetwater, so I don't know what's happening. But anyways, it doesn't matter. Came in to be fixed, or they don't understand what's going on. So I took a quick look at it, and right away I saw that this bridge isn't right. And if you look at it, it looked from the side, which I don't know if you can see on camera. But anyways, it was coming up. Anyways, this is how I got it. It has one string on it. They were having troubles with it. And they finally said, "Hey, Weaver, can you fix this for us?" So initially, I got my feeler gauge out and checked a look. I initially went like this here, was checking it out because I saw it was a little bit loose. It was coming up underneath here. And as I was doing this here, doing a little tap, it all of a sudden just disappeared and went in. And I was like, what in the world? So you look. So you keep going, it's like, whoa. This thing has basically come completely detached. Look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on finishing removal of this, clean it all up, remount it, check it all out. Everything is shrunk on this. Even the frets are a little rough. So we're going to polish it all up, clean it up, and make it play and perform like it should have when it was first purchased. Alright, let's get started. Well, it looks like it didn't have very good glue adhesion to it at all. So we are going to clean it all up and we'll get it all back together. that's the way it's supposed to sit. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's get in here. Okay, you want to operate the screwdriver on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold this. Okay. Look the other way. There you go. That.
I got it.
Keep going.
Should we fill it from yet?
Yep, it's getting there. Okay, good job. There's that one. Okay, give me let's do this one here.
Which way?
This way. Did it. Hang on here. I gotta get the block out from inside here.
Hi everybody, this is Agatha that will fixing.
Yeah, good job.
Whoa, can I take it out?
You got it.
So can I help? How to do it? I'm going the right way.
Yep. Careful.
Did it?
You did it. Excellent. Set that down there. Stuff off here. Oh, looking pretty good. Here's the finished product. All cleaned up, fixed, figured out. Nothing underneath. They're solid. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up and always please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you next video.